What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Arkham Arkham, which has pumped up in value quite a bit. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick, not just in the last 24 hours but over the last couple of weeks it has been gaining a huge amount of value. So we're going to be looking at what is next for this crypto. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to take a little bit of a dip? Currently trading at $2.15 and has gone up over 46% in the last 24 hours alone. And with the crypto market on the green side today, with Bitcoin heading over $63,000 earlier this afternoon, the crypto market is up, guys, and Bitcoin has hit $63,000 after about a good 2 years, guys. So we're going to be looking at focusing on Arkham. Can it hit $3, $4, $5 over the coming weeks and months? And mainly focusing on, is it time to buy the crypto right now? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Arkham, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. The blue line is not looking as steep, however the orange line is. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Arkham to be heading over $2.30 to 35 cents, somewhere around that price range. So an overall increase from where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, it is also likely to hit red candles, dipping down to just above $2 and then slowly starting to pump again in the early hours of tomorrow to afternoon, heading over $2.35 is what my expectations are at the moment. So do expect quite of a wave, but again the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we are looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Reason is looking so steep here is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming days. However, that is clearly not the case, as it is not realistic at all. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Arkham to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value, heading over around $2.70, $2.80 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by mid next week. However, do expect the odd red day in between. But again, guys, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So heading over $2.70, $2.80 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Moving on to the daily chart here, next couple of weeks, again exact same scenario as the previous chart. Both the blue and the orange line are looking a little bit too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, by mid to late April 2024, yes, even though I'm expecting an overall increase in value near about hitting $4, in between that time it is more than likely going to go for a price correction, dropping down to about $1.20 in value before it slowly starts to gain value. So potentially down to $1.20 by mid-February, and then slowly gaining value for the rest of mid-March and then slowly starting to gain value for the rest of March, April and May, heading over near about $4 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, as you guys know, the Bitcoin halving is taking place in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market overall, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can on how the Bitcoin halving will have an impact on the crypto market. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we have broken out into the top tier level right now, even though it is likely to drop back down into the blue zone over the coming week or two. After that, it should slowly start to head up into the top tier level here and potentially hit a new all-time high over the coming weeks, and as I mentioned, heading over $3 by late March, and then heading to about $4 in April, May is what my expectations are at the moment. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up near about 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $365 million in trading, which is a huge increase, guys. Reason being is, according to Binance, Arkham is the first top gainer in the last 24 hours, hence why it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. And not just that, over the week it has gained 84%, and over the month over 313% in the last month itself, which is a huge increase from the crypto, and it's still ongoing right now. So a lot more people have started to buy and sell the crypto, and which has resulted in the trading volume going even higher, and which in return has also increased the value of Arkham in a positive direction as well. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on the crypto. Can it potentially hit $10 by the end of the year? Tricky question, but it can get very close to the $10 mark depending on how it performs for the rest of the year and how the crypto market performs as well. So either Q4 of this year or early next year is when I'm expecting Arkham to be hitting the $10 mark. But again, crashes and pumps, these things are not expected, so this may either delay or make the $10 mark come quicker than expected. But if you guys want regular updates on Arkham, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. On that note, let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting ARKM to be going in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.